Today Hrihaan-Ayaan has come to the strawberry farm and there's nice golf area here. Let's see if we can get some time for them to play in the golf course. And we come across this little pond with lots of little pig in them. Hrihaan? Hrihaan? What are those? What do you see? Ayaan? Cow? It's cow. Hrihaan? What are those? Piggy? Uh-oh. So we have some picking areas here. It's a lot of trees and we'll start from here and see what we get. So Mom and Ayaan busy collecting the strawberries. Look, so many of them. Look at that. So many. It's falling down? So many of them, Hrihaan. Look at that. What do you see? What do you see? Do you see any big strawberries? Huh? There's lots of them, Hrihaan. It's all hanging down there. Daddy found a big red one. Is it juicy, Hrihaan? Is it juicy? Is it yummy?
Who is riding the car? Is that Hrihaan? Yeah, look at this. Hrihaan with his little brother. Who is coming? Is that Hrihaan? What are you planning to do, Hrihaan? Are you collecting more sand? Oh, you are trying to fill it? Oh, what did you get? Is that a shark? Is that a yellow shark? Yeah. Look what is... Yay! Yes, we have the tractor. Yeah, there's a tractor over there.
Come on, Daddy!
Hrihaan has decided to do the tractor ride.
Hey, come on!
And we all sit on this giant tractor. Look at these two kids here. Look so calm. This is the calmness before everything goes upside down. Where are we going, Hrihaan?
We're going to the tractor.
We are on the tractor already. Where are we going?
We're going to the farm.
Yeah.
We're going to the farm. You can see strawberry farm right here. Oh, these were the raspberries. You like it? It's going so fast. Yay! Oh, the big one. Mama. Going up, Hrihaan. Look, there's train coming. It's a fast train, Hrihaan. Move back, move back, move back.